If Tinkercad is giving you an error in Chrome, freezing, loading blank, or just not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These are the same troubleshooting methods that solve most Chrome-related Tinkercad problems, especially when the editor won't load, shapes disappear, or the dashboard gets stuck. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is enable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Tinkercad uses your browser's graphics support to render 3D models and circuits, and if hardware acceleration is turned off, the editor can become blank, slow, or unresponsive. To check this, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, scroll down to System, and look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Make sure that switch is turned on. If it was off, turn it on and click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting applied. This is one of the most important fixes because Tinkercad depends heavily on GPU and WebGL support. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores old site data, and sometimes that data becomes corrupted or outdated, which can cause Tinkercad to malfunction. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to last 24 hours, or choose all time if the issue has been happening for a while. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, refresh the Tinkercad page and try again. This step often fixes login problems, loading issues, and dashboard errors caused by broken site data. Now, if Tinkercad still isn't working in normal Chrome, the next test is to open it in Incognito mode. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and then an Incognito window starts with fewer extensions active, so it's a great way to find out whether the issue is being caused by a browser add-on. Sign into Tinkercad in this private window and see if it loads correctly. If it works here, then the problem is probably one of your Chrome extensions, such as an ad blocker, VPN extension, script blocker, or even a dark mode plugin that's interfering with the site. In that case, go to Chrome://extensions and disable your extensions one by one, testing Tinkercad each time until you find the one causing the issue. After that, it's a good idea to check your graphics support and update Chrome. Tinkercad relies on WebGL, which is the browser technology that helps render 3D content. You can test this by going to get.webgl.org. If you don't see a spinning cube, that means Chrome is having trouble using WebGL properly, which can definitely break Tinkercad. Also make sure Chrome itself is fully updated. Click the three dots, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if needed. Updating the browser can fix compatibility issues, rendering bugs, and security problems that may affect Tinkercad. The final fix is to disable any VPN and flush your DNS. Sometimes VPNs can trigger security checks or IP mismatch errors with Autodesk services, which may prevent Tinkercad from loading correctly. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. If the problem still continues, flushing your DNS can help clear out bad network data on your computer. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once that completes, restart Chrome and reload Tinkercad. This simple network reset can solve connection issues that look like browser problems but are actually caused by stale DNS data. So to recap, if you're facing a Tinkercad error in Chrome, start by turning on a hardware acceleration, then clear your cache and cookies, test in Incognito mode, check WebGL and update Chrome, and finally disable VPNs and flush your DNS. In most cases, one of these steps will get Tinkercad working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.